Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today I am making a 1 bowl chocolate cake with bourbon biscuit. This recipe is very easy to make and super tasty. So let's get started. We need 2 packet bourbon biscuit to make this cake. Firstly, I am breaking the bourbon biscuits. Actually, I could not control myself, so I took one for myself. The best part about these biscuits are the cream inside. I really like them. Just like me, if you all like the cream too, do comment below. Okay, getting back to our topic. So I broke all the biscuits and we need to add 1 cup of milk and soak it them for a minute. Now I am mixing it with a whisk and adding the rest of the milk. Now mix it well. Then add 1 teaspoon coffee powder and also add half a teaspoon of baking powder. Again mix it well and make sure there are no lumps. And also clean the bowl and place it on a microwave for 3 minutes. Tell me where you are watching us from so that I can thank you for following our recipes. It's been 3 minutes now. Let's check if the cake is baked well with the help of a stick. Okay, looks like it is baked well. No stickiness. Now I am applying Nutella as a spread, but you can choose your own favorite spread. Spread it evenly. So now the cake is ready. If you want any decorations, add some powdered sugar or sprinkles. Okay, that's basically really spongy, really creamy. I already ate most of it. Trust me guys, it's worth it. I hope you like this video. If you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe for more interesting recipes. And also follow my Instagram and Facebook page. Okay guys, have a nice day. Bye, take care.